What is going on, Tube You? You see I still got my drag number up there. But got back from the track last night and this was in the door or at the doorway. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on simply because I do have other mods that I need to put on first. But we're gonna do this one instead because there's a tab missing. Oh well, let's go ahead and show you what it. All right, so there it is out of the box. And the reason I'm gonna put this on today is because if you take a look back here, flip it over for you guys. There's a missing tab. Shocker! It seems like every time I see a video of these, the tabs always seem to be missing, man. I don't know, but we only have one missing tab, and it doesn't seem to be in the spot like over here on this corner where it will be like cause a problem and cause it to sag down or anything. So hopefully these two, the other two on the sides of that one, should be good enough. And if it isn't, then we'll send it back. That's another reason why I'm trying to put it on today instead of waiting around and then, oh look, I waited too long to return it. Now I can't return it, and now I'm just stuck with this thing. I don't remember the brand. There's like, as you see, there's no instructions, no paper, no anything. Oh, we got a little bit of hardware. I forgot. A couple other screws that we're just gonna go ahead and throw them in when we put it all together. That's really the only thing it came with. And there's the holes, the pre-drilled holes. You see them? Got 6 total. All right. And I don't know why you can't use the existing hardware. I'm just gonna use the existing hardware that's already on the car. I don't really like those screws, they look weird. But we're gonna go ahead and start taking out the old one. Now I'll throw you guys up under there, try to show you what all we're gonna do. So we've got our flathead screwdriver. It's gonna be used to pop out the rivets, and we have our, should be a 8mm, I believe, 7mm. My bad, 7mm socket, and that's what we're gonna use. There's 6 screws up under here. I don't know if I can show you guys. There's 6 screws just like that all along the bottom here, and that's what we're going to work to take out. Oh no, there's only 4. I lied. There's only 4 of them. Starting from here, going to the right side, and then over on the sides here, there are going to be 2 rivets. So we're just going to try to use what's already there. See all the rubber built up. Gonna hit it with some WD-40 later and try to get that all off. But we're gonna work with this to try to hurry up and see if the thing fits or not with that broken tab. And if it doesn't, then we'll just call it quits. First, make sure you guys can actually see. Last time my big ass head was in the way of everything, so you guys couldn't even see. Oh, that's tightening. I'm tripping. There's one of them right there. Just put it down and work our way around. All the rubber. Jesus Christ, why was that so hard? Why was it so hard? My freaking hands, man. Covered. I'll just put the rivet right here. You can see it's already coming off. We're just gonna go to the other side, same thing. Once the first one comes out, it pretty much just all through. Jesus Christ. So, the stock one has a lot more of those little fins than the new one does, but you know, we're gonna try to make it work. This is the first one over here. It's covered in rubber. There's so much rubber. So much rubber. All right, put you guys back down. Go grab the new one. We're just gonna pop it into place. Alright, so this is the saggy side. Hopefully, if I pop this in, good to go. It looks good. Alright. That's it. That looks good. That looks good. That does look good. Status update. So we ditched the supplied parts and we went with the OEM parts. So the reason being is the OEM screws are just a tidbit longer so they can actually reach the brackets that they need to go in. And let me show you guys right here. Here we go. There's one right there. Another right there. See how nice and sturdy that is, and sturdy all around. Sturdy all around. That's much better. I put the supplied screws in, and they weren't too happy. See that? Supplied screws just like pop right the hell back out. So this last one, I'll show you guys what I did. Let me slide over real quick. And it can actually reach. Alright, so it's in there. I'm just gonna try to finesse it and get it to where you need to be. Oh, that feels like it's it. That feels like it's it. Let's go ahead and start tightening. Oh yeah, oh yeah, we're getting good now. Boom, there we go. All right, that's all of them. That's the new rear diffuser. I went to carbon fiber. I'll post the link to the where I got it from. I got it from eBay. Look at all this freaking rubber, man, just everywhere. Thing's covered. I have to clean it off. There we go. So she's in there how she's supposed to be. Really nice pop. But that's how she looks. Oh man, that's a lot better. That is a lot better. Looks a lot meaner in the back. Looks a lot meaner in the back. So this is pretty much wrapped up. Like I showed you guys. Hope you were able to follow along with my terrible instructions. I didn't have any instructions myself. I kind of just went along with it, saw what needed to come out, and then start taking stuff out. Like I said, there's no instructions in the box whatsoever. And yeah, so we just work with what we got. But it looks good. It definitely looks good. I was worried about the tailpipes lining up, but they actually lined up pretty well. So yeah, that's the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Like I said, here's the OEM ones, or the supplied hardware. Not very good. It didn't do a good job at all. So I'm gonna run down to Ace Hardware and try to find the little brackets that all of these guys tightened into that were already on the car. They're the little brackets that, you know, the OEM hardware came out of. So we're gonna try to find some of those, and that's what we're gonna use on the sides, because as you can see, the sides still do come down a little bit. Where we at? Right here. Look. So the sides still do come down. I'm not worried about it just flying off, seeing as how all the fins are in the bumper, and all of the OEM hardware is holding it into place where it's supposed to be. So I'm not too worried about it flying off, but I do want to get them in there just for that added security. I'm sorry I sound out of breath. I'm out of shape. Definitely helps give that that back end a more aggressive appearance, how it should have came from the factory. This should have been a RT V6 thing right there, and that should have been Hellcat 392 thing. I think, in my opinion. Not necessarily the carbon fiber, but at least the fins. Fins would have definitely gave that thing, make it look like it's supposed to. Alrighty, tube view. So that's all I got for you guys, man. That's my little install video of the new rear diffuser. It's not an Icon Motorsports. I heard those were really crappy. A lot of people had problems with them coming in. They were just super cheaply made, and they were charging premium price for a not so at all premium product. So I went with a different brand. I don't even know the name of the brand. I gotta go look on eBay because that's where I got it from. But I'll put it down in the description if you guys are interested and want to check it out. And I'll give you guys another close-up look. And I was gonna send it back because of that broken tab, but I think we made the right choice. I don't think it's worth the time to send it back over one broken tab, especially when the rest of it looks so good. I think it's gonna be fine. It's definitely gonna be fine. But anyway, I'll put it down in the description if you guys want to buy one for your car. If it's your first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys get a notification when these videos go up. So go to the insert. I'll put it down in the description. And that's all I got. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.